Hello friends, welcome to my homemade recipes YouTube channel. On this occasion, I'm going to show you how to toast some delicious chickpeas on the griddle. What you will need is half a cup of dried chickpeas, half a cup, it will swell, you don't need much. Half a cup is enough for 2 people. This is half a cup. Now we are going to rinse them. Wash them because sometimes they have dust or little stones and to remove any contaminants. A good rinse, not just a little, but until. If you see that the water is still coming out brownish, keep going until the water is clear, but this one already looks like it's done. Ready. Now we are going to add the water. Once they are well washed, add drinking water because tap water has chlorine or other things and is not recommended for drinking. So now we are going to leave them here to soak while they swell so they toast up softer. Because if you put them in dry like this, they will be hard. But putting them in water makes them soft. And here we see them 2 hours later. They have already swollen. They are ready to be toasted. Now we are going to put them on the griddle. This is how we are going to put them on the griddle. With the water, and also they cook better. And we are going to cover them. Put them on low heat and keep stirring them so they don't burn. They cook better with the water, so they dry out less. And to prevent them from burning, we cover them again. When they have a little water left, like right now, we are going to add a little salt. You just stir them like this, just so they turn over and they have almost no water left. This way they flip better. We see that the water is gone now. So now we are not going to cover them. We are just going to stir them and turn the heat to the lowest setting. And we'll just keep stirring. Don't walk away because they can burn. So we're just going to keep stirring them. They are already cooked. But now we are going to toast them. Keep stirring them so they don't burn and cook more deliciously. They're almost ready. As soon as they start to turn brownish, it means they're almost ready. Now we can see that they need very little more time. We're going to turn off the stove so they don't burn at the very end, and we'll keep stirring them. And now we can see that they are ready. They are toasted on all sides. They don't need to be completely toasted. Just having toasted parts means they are cooked on the inside. Now we are going to try them. And so friends, let's try the little chickpeas to see how they turned out. Wait a little when they're done, when you've just taken them off because they're hot. But these have already cooled down. It's a delight. Chickpeas have a lot of protein and taste really delicious this way. And they aren't hard when you put them in water. Delicious. I recommend you make them this way. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends, as I will be uploading these and other easy recipes. Thank you.